Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, that is water. So let's study about the water. Water is one of the precious resource. Everyone, whether human beings, animals, all need water, right? We need water to drink, bath, cleaning, washing. For different things we use water. And 71% of the water is covered is water. जो हमारा अर्थ है 71% of earth is covered with water. Water क्या है? One of the most common and useful substance. We can see in ponds, lake, rivers, seas and ocean. ये कहाँ present होता है? Below the surface. So there is more water than land on the earth's surface. Nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Natural sources क्या है water के? River, ocean, seas, lakes. और जो main source है वो क्या है आपका? Rain. Most of the water is in the form of ice caps near the poles, and water is also present in the air in the form of water vapor. Right? Properties of water: colorless है, transparent है, odorless है, कोई smell नहीं होती, कोई taste नहीं होता है. A large number of substance get dissolved in water. इसको हम universal solvent कहते हैं. इसकी 3 states होती है: solid, liquid and gas. Right? So impurities in water. Rain क्या है आपका? Natural source of water है. When it rains, the water flows down into the river, ponds and other waterways. Carries many impurities with water. Water supplies to our homes may also have impurities. तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? उसको फिल्टर करना चाहिए कि आप बॉईल करके भी पी सकते हैं. Now types of impurities. Basically we have 2 types of impurities, soluble और insoluble. Soluble जो घुल जाती है easily, insoluble जो घुलती नहीं है. Insoluble impurities present in water which can be seen easily. ठीक है, जैसे आपका stone, mud, sand हो गया. Soluble which cannot be seen with naked eyes, right? जैसे आपके salt हो गया या फिर आप sugar dissolve कर रहे हो, that thing. Now purification of water. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वाटर को डिफरेंट तरीके से प्योरीफाई कर सकते हैं. Sedimentation, filtration, decantation, these are the different methods. First is sedimentation. Impure water is made to sit undisturbed for a little long time. जो impurities होती है जैसे sand और mud, वो थोड़ी heavy होती है, तो नीचे की तरफ settle down हो जाती है और आपका clean water ऊपर आ जाता है. Right? This is the way जो settling down of impurities होती है. When the water is made to stand for long, इसको हम sedimentation कहते हैं. Right? Decantation, the clear water obtained during sedimentation is carefully poured into another container. And decanted water, इसके अंदर कोई भी किसी भी तरीके की insoluble impurities नहीं होती. Then we have filtration. The insoluble impurities are removed by using a filter paper. Impure water को हम क्या करते हैं? Pour करते हैं over filter paper. The impurities remain on the paper while clear water collects in the beaker below. This process is called filtration. इस process को क्या कहा जाता है? Filtration. Then we have boiling. So after removing the insoluble impurities using sedimentation, decantation, filtration, processes water can be boiled to kill the germs present in. Boiling is the most common method of water purification. सबसे best method क्या है water purification का? That is boiling. Water purification at home. In rainy season, the tap water available at our homes sometimes become unfit to drink. So we should always drink clean water. These are the method: by boiling, by using water filter, using हमारा RO होता है ना, एक्वागार्ड होता है, उनका भी यूज़ करके वाटर को प्योरीफाई कर सकते हैं. Now water scarcity. So in many parts of our country, water is scarce. In some places, women have to walk several kilometers every day to collect water. In summers, जो water है उसकी short supply होती है in many towns and city. It makes our life very difficult. It makes us think to save what? Precious water. Water harvesting, we can divert the rainwater into wells or underground tanks where it can be stored for future. उसको हम रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कहते हैं. इसका एम क्या है? इज टू कंजर्व रेन वाटर सो दैट इट मे सेटिस्फाई लोकल नीड्स एंड कैन बी यूज्ड इन फ्यूचर. आप इसका फ्यूचर में यूज़ कर सकते. रीयूज वाटर. वाटर जो आप वॉश कर रहे हो फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल, उसको कलेक्ट कर लो और प्लांट्स में डाल लो, आप उसका रीयूज कर सकते. Next is water used for washing clothes can be collected and used for mopping the floor. Water used for washing hands and face, उसको आप flush out कर सकते हो in the toilets. Save water. Our next and the last topic, that is save water. It's a duty of each and everyone to save the water for the future. Get the leaking taps repaired on time. Turn off the tap after uses. Don't keep the tap. सबकी आदत होती है कि ब्रश कर रहे हो टैप रन कर रहा है, वो नहीं करना. Right? Saving and using water carefully. आप वाटर को सेव कर रहे हो, केयरफुल यूज कर रहे हो. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वाटर कंजर्वेशन. राइट? दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट वाटर, द डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ what purifying the water I have told. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.